God made me at half of the speed as she did with my friends and my peers. So my lens isn't clear and my future feels foggy and blurred. So yeah, I made this sorry ass beat just so that I could talk to you over your screen. And I could ask if you kept all your dreams, or they washed away clean and left you jaded, tired, and abused by the daily cycle of motion we call our everyday life, and the rules and regulations that are clearly contrived. And light and open clever escaping through the eyes of your friends and family, or just strangers walking by. But I guess that's life, we all live and we die, and we all waste countless hours, so I should not waste mine. I mean, our eyes are closed and we're asleep a fourth of our time. So what do you think? Oh, I just think I feel like I'm always lazy, and oh my God, I need to stop trying to be deep. There's so much I could tend to, with friendships to mend with whoever I've had in my life. And so yeah, I should get out and change my mood, but I think I'd rather sit here and consume